Imagine the modern battlefield. No trenches, no mass infantry charges. Now it's drones swarming like hornets, jets striking with laser precision, missiles tearing through the sky, and defense shields intercepting threats mid-flight. This was the technology-driven clash that erupted recently between Iran and Israel. In this episode, we're breaking it down, from cutting-edge fighter jets, long-range missiles, and weaponized drones to bulletproof defense systems and silent cyber warfare. This isn't politics, it's pure technology, and it's reshaping the future of war. Welcome to LumosCurios. Take your Lumos and dive into a world of curiosity, where history, science, and technology meet. We uncover ancient mysteries, explore futuristic innovations, and reveal hidden truths. 1. Stealth and speed, fighter jets. Israel, F-35, Adir, a customized Israeli F-35 variant. Full stealth, radar evading, supersonic, super sensor fusion. Features custom Israeli electronics and a hardened electronic warfare suite. Capable of deep strike missions, even deep inside Iran, without detection. Israel, F-15, IRAM, Thunder, twin-engine fighter with huge weapon payload, up to 24,000 pounds. Fitted with upgraded avionics, advanced targeting radars, and conformal fuel tanks. Iran's fleet, primarily legacy jets, F-4 Phantom II, F-14 Tomcat, MiG-29, Su-24. Retrofits include local-made avionics, but still short of modern stealth or sensor fusion. Domestic Kosar jets exist, but analysts doubt their effectiveness beyond symbolic. Take away Israel's stealth fighters dominate the airspace with minimal risk. Iran relies on aging legacy platforms. Advantage, Israel. 2. Missiles, precision and payload. Iran's arsenal. Fateh 110, SRBM, approximately 300 kilometers, GPS-INS guided, 1-ton warhead. Zulfiqar, tactical SRBM, approximately 700 kilometers, GPS-INS, advanced seeker. Shahid Haj Qasim, high maneuver SRBM, robust terminal accuracy. Khaybar Shikan, solid fuel, approximately 1,450 kilometers range, designed to outrun defenses. These missiles are built for saturation strikes, overwhelming enemy defenses with volume and precision. Israel's missiles. Delilah, long-range, loitering attack missile with 100 kilometers plus range. Rampage, new air-to-surface ballistic missile for penetrating layered air defense. Popeye, long-range standoff missile, cruise or ballistic variants, high precision. Israel favors small, smart effects over mass volleys. Drone warfare, eyes and weapons. Iranian UAVs, Shahed 136, kamikaze drone. Loitering munition, 1,000 kilometers plus range, Delta Wing. Mohajer 6, recon, loiter UAV, can carry guided missiles. Ababel 5, multi-mission HALE drone used by proxies. Drones work in swarms, cheap, expendable, and capable of diversionary tactics. Israeli UAV fleet. Heron TP, Itan. Long endurance, high-altitude surveillance, with 36-plus-hour runtime. Harap, lethal loitering drone, anti-radar. Hermes 900, multi-role recon strike UAV with AI targeting. Israel mixes durability, intelligence, and real-time targeting. Far superior technical ability. 4. Missile defense. Intercepting the storm. Israel's multi-layer system. Iron Dome. For rockets, 70-ish kilometers max, 90 to 95% interception. David's Sling, medium-range missiles, 40 to 70 kilometers plus, UAV and SRBM interception. Arrow 2/3, edge-of-space defense against medium to intercontinental ballistic threats. These systems worked in concert to neutralize over 90% of incoming fire in the flare-up. Iran's air defense. Bavar 373, Iranian S-300 equivalent, long-range approximately 200 kilometers, tracked targets. Khordad 15, medium range, used to shoot down drones, cruise missiles. Russian S-200/S-300 units also present. These layered systems are good versus aircraft, challenge some drones, but get overwhelmed by volume or stealth low-altitude drones. 5. Electronic warfare and cyber warfare. Israel. Unit 8200, Israeli SIGINT ELINT wing. May have jammed radars, communications, missile sensors. Advanced cyber campaigns reportedly disrupted Iranian drone controls and missile guidance systems. Iran. GPS jamming used to redirect U.S. drones in the past. Reports of radar spoofing, but likely not as advanced as Israel. This digital battlefield happened in parallel, mostly hidden, but very real. 6th, legacy systems and support roles. Iran continues reliant on legacy air defense and imported components. Lack of domestic innovation limits strength. Israel uses global R&D partnerships and upgrades under continuous evolution. They've added AI-targeted UCAVs and advanced electronic layers even before release. 7. Global takeaways. What this means for military tech. This war pattern suggests all future combat will follow the tech-first blueprint. Stealth plus drone cloud equals battlefield control. Precision missiles, smart lightning strikes, multi-layer shields, Adir's defensive backbone, AI-assisted EW-Sur cyber strikes, Sandir Prours fight the invisible war. The message is clear. Technological sophistication beats brute force. What do you think? Who had the edge in technology? Israel's stealth jets or Iran's drone swarms? Could Israel's defense shield hold against larger missile waves? Let us know in the comments. If you found this tech breakdown eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future deep dives into global military innovation. Stay curious and always keep your Lumos ready, because the future of warfare is already here. Thanks for watching LumosCurios. If you're passionate about history, science, and technology, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mysteries and discoveries. Have your own theory or thoughts. Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Curious for more? Head over to our shorts and put your knowledge to the test with mind-twisting riddles. Until next adventure, stay curious and always keep your Lumos ready.